Indulge in the festive flavors of Brazil with this extended rabanada recipe, a cherished holiday treat that brings a Brazilian twist to the classic French toast. Rabanada is a staple during Christmas in Brazil, celebrated for its sweet, custardy center and a golden, crispy exterior. Ingredients: 1 baguette or similar crusty bread, 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, plus more for coating, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, ground cinnamon for coating, vegetable oil for frying. Instructions: 1. Prepare the bread. Start by slicing the baguette into thick rounds, about 1 inch thick. Stale bread works best for rabanada as it soaks up the liquid without falling apart. 2. Make the milk mixture. In a shallow bowl, whisk together the milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, and vanilla extract. This mixture will infuse the bread with a sweet, creamy flavor. 3. Beat the eggs. In another shallow bowl, beat the eggs until smooth. The eggs will provide a rich, custardy texture to the rabanada. 4. Soak the bread. Dip each bread slice first into the milk mixture, allowing it to soak for a few seconds. Then, dip it into the beaten eggs, ensuring each side is well coated. 5. Fry the rabanada. Heat a generous amount of oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Fry the bread slices in batches, cooking until they are golden brown on both sides. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. 6. Coat with cinnamon sugar. Mix some sugar with ground cinnamon in a shallow dish. While the rabanadas are still warm, roll them in the cinnamon sugar mixture, coating them evenly. 7. Serve warm. Serve your rabanadas warm, either as a decadent breakfast or as a sweet dessert. They are perfect for holiday mornings or as a special treat during festive gatherings. Serving suggestions: rabanadas can be enjoyed on their own or accompanied by a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of honey, or a scoop of ice cream for an extra, indulgent treat. Enjoy the extended Brazilian rabanada recipe, a delightful and comforting dish that captures the essence of Brazilian holiday traditions. Each bite offers a perfect balance of sweetness and spice, making rabanada a beloved favorite for both its flavor and its festive spirit.